Hello, my name's Chelsea. This is for SPD 470. The date is May 29th, 2022. As the classroom fills with children who have a variety of instructional strategies, many instructors may not have the expertise or the resources to create courses that employ differentiated instruction to meet the needs of each student. Since it is important that the instructional strategies are developmentally appropriate and standards-based in a grade 5 classroom, some of the areas that I believe should remain the same in the lesson plan would be prior knowledge connection and anticipatory set. I would still help students apply properties of operations as strategies in previous grades and equip them with knowledge on solving multi-step word problems posed with whole numbers and having whole number answers using the 4 operations. I would also allow students to use parentheses and numerical expressions and evaluate expressions with these symbols. This activity will engage with their prior knowledge of evaluating numerical expressions. Differentiation strategies can be used in the developmental and critical thinking and differentiation skills, like providing pupils with a variety of alternatives to pick from, a way of literature and learning resources, making use of a range of individualized learning techniques and evaluations for your students, and teaching students in a way that caters to a variety of intelligence. With that in mind, some of the things that I may change in the lesson plan includes how to enable learners struggling with memory and retrieval to improve in operations and algebraic thinking. This can be done by encouraging the students to create photographic memories of what they've just read. Doing so will help the students, get that better visualization, making that connection with what they just learned. After reflecting upon my planning and practice some of the ways with which I could help students analyze and reflect upon their work, it includes encouraging students to make plans for their learning and to reflect on their progress. This can be by telling them that they are in charge of their own education. I'll also make sure to ask them a number of questions regarding what they just learned. For instance, I can ask them what methods they would use to learn more. What abilities did they employ, what worked and didn't work for you, what pushed their thinking, and what factors influenced their decision as well. The other model that I could use is giving them meaningful feedback and refer to the process and progress rather than the final outcome. I will use remarks, like well done, good job, even if they get it wrong. A lot of things I use in my class are, that was a really good try, but do it again or something, like you could have done a better job or something, just to kind of encourage and motivate the students a bit more.